Hello, I'm Adina Pignataire, a global creative contributor for L'Oreal Professionnel, a perfect service for recruiting younger clients who want a low-maintenance, multidimensional look without the fear of hair damage. Today, we're diving into no-bleach brunch highlights. From high perceived damage of bleach, stark and stripy highlights, and a high-maintenance look to an effortless no-bleach service with natural dimension and subtle sophistication. Start with Metal Detox pre-treatment spray to neutralize metals inside the fiber. Section the hair using diagonal sections, creating 20 strategic placements. For a lift, I'm using the new Blond Studio No-Bleach Lightening Cream with 30 volume Nutri-developer. The secret to that blended finish is micro-teasing. When it comes to the amount of teasing, it all depends on the density of the hair and the color visibility the consumer is looking for. For her, I'm softly teasing about 30% of her hair from the tips. Allow development time 35 minutes. Rinse and shampoo with Metal Detox. Dry the hair. To achieve a rich caramel finish, I'm toning with Dia Light Shade 7.31 and 9-volume Dia Activator for 20 minutes. Dia Light, now enriched with hyaluronic acid, provides an instant shot of care that immediately fights dryness, delivering 2 times more hydration and 82% glossier color. Emulsify, rinse, shampoo, and treat the hair with Metal Detox to protect the hair's integrity. With 9 to 15 placements around the face, on the sides, and on the top of the head, you can tailor the service to color-shy customers. Illuminate her facial features effortlessly with a little pop-up dimension, all done with less placements and time spent in the chair. No Bleach French Highlights is for the client craving affordable, damage-free dimension. Free to highlight, free from bleach, only by L'Oreal Professionnel.